Bueno, como quieras.
Hello everybody, good afternoon. My name is Mary Lene. Welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, for those of you who have been around, thank you. Today is the first day of my weekly vlog going into Thanksgiving. Today is Sunday and me and my friends are going to a brunch spot called Urban Griddle, and we're gonna get some brunch, get some food. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, and let's get into this week. This is my fit for today. It's nothing crazy, just oh, I gotta fix my socks because of that. Oh, actually don't look bad. I'm gonna keep that. But yeah, this is my fit for today. I just gotta put on my lipstick, lip gloss, and I'll be ready to go. Yeah, I actually feel really good. Like, I've lost some weight too. So make sure you watch my keto video coming out soon.
My hair was nice this morning, and then the rain.
You look good, Ori.
Huh?
You look good.
I do? Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Ew.
Are you done?
It's your first time at Urban Griddle, right? Oh.
Yeah.
Can I get that in here? There we go. We're at Urban Griddle, guys.
A Belgian waffle, Oreos, and the batter.
What is that?
Butter.
Oh shit.
Go ahead, I take a
We
bite.
say brunch
This shit is
mix.
busting, nerd.
Bussin'.
Oh, wait, I want to snap myself. Yes, it's mine.
Diana.
Hi, vlog.
Hi guys, I'm at work.
I look good. Hi, guys. I'm at work.
Hey guys, so today is Wednesday. And oh my god, that's a lot better. Hello guys, so today is Tuesday and I just got done class and work, and now I'm going to my office potluck to eat. So today our theme this year was plaid, so I got my friend to give me some plaid. I had to spray it because it smelled like boy. So baked a cake. I'll show you guys what it looks like. I was filming me making it last night, so I'll show you guys the finished product. Okay guys, I am ready. Makeup is done. Edges done. Now I gotta drive over to where we're having our potluck.
There could be another one where it's like, oh no, not this song.
This is my co-workers, guys. We're just co-workers.
You want help? Alright, Sarah Brandon's gonna help you. Oh, you wanna help me? Okay, you can help me.
This is my cake. This is my cake. I hope nobody eats it so I can have it all.
That's what I said. We're only the good die young, only the good die young. You might have heard I run with a dangerous crowd. We ain't too pretty, we ain't too proud. We might be laughing a bit too loud.
And yo, look at all this food. I am so happy.
This museum was the home of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. when he was no bigger than you guys. As you'll soon find out, this house is very unique.
Alright guys, I am all packed up in my truck. I'm about to head home. I cannot wait. I'm actually kind of tired, so I'm gonna have to stop for some coffee, but I'll see you guys when I make it home, or whenever I make a stop. What's up guys? I'm actually mad tired. I have to do something with my hair. Low-key, don't want to wash it till tomorrow anyway, because I want to straighten it because it's about to be December. Good morning, everybody, and happy Thanksgiving. I have a question. Do you guys like receiving those like basic happy Thanksgiving text messages? Like you receive like 80,000 of them, or do you prefer to get like a heartfelt why I'm thankful for you or not thankful for you this Thanksgiving text? Because I like special things. Like I don't like generic, oh, just happy Thanksgiving things. So comment down below which one you like, because I hate basic things. No, say it like how you said it. Do the dance.
When it's hot.
Do your turkey dance that. Why you got pink socks?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's basketball season. Girls, basketball season. Man, my bed all messed up and shit.
It should be made then.
Stop.
Oh man, I look hit.
No, you don't. Guys, this is my little cousin / little brother.
Feel.
Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, Nacho is
Nacho.
taking a poop. Nacho. Okay. All right. Mommy. Hi, Dad. How's the turkey coming?
What turkey?
Yo.
That's a pheasant.
Okay.
Well, hello, everybody. What's up, Faker? Here the party. Let's get it started. I'm here.
No.
These are not clothes. Everything is not from people that died. These are people who don't claim they.
Grave robber.
People. These people who don't claim they clothes. They gone.
I didn't taste them yet. Who bear is that?
Last year, he never made it upstairs.
That's what that name? Mary, she
Guys, we're Black Friday shopping.
Goddamn motherfucker. Goddamn.
It's a mess.
It really is.
Javon mad. You mad or nah?
See, I'm tired of waiting.
You mad or nah? Javon said, listen. Javon said we need to be here at top of 2 hours. That's it.
Go ahead.
Oh, I look a little crazy. So right now we're at Ross. I'm a little nervous because I hate recording around people. I think I'm gonna go over by the shoes because I do need shoes. I just ordered like a couple cute dresses from Boohoo, so I definitely need some cute heels to go with them. I couldn't find anything on Boohoo, so I'm gonna try to look here to see if I see something cool that I would actually wear. I don't like uncomfortable heels. These are mad cute. Nautica. How much are these? These are $20. It's not bad, but I know what I'm looking for. They have teddies. I want one so bad. How much is this? $25? I don't know, but it's mad cute. This is mad cute. I love these. Should I tell Bianca they have some? I think I'm gonna tell her. So yeah, the teddy didn't fit. I definitely need an extra large because girls in the front need room. So guys, I found this really cool toner. I think I'm gonna get, because it's $3. Ross has really good like face stuff. I think all of these, oh my god, they have X out. This is a Proactive brand. That's weird. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get this. Sounds really cool. Now we're at Old Navy. Ross didn't really have anything for us. Come here, Mom.
I don't want to be in that. No.
found this really cute, like, I don't know, it's like a corduroy jacket. It's really cute. And it's like $17. Bianca has the one similar to it, so. And I've been wanting to steal it. Now I don't have to. Old Navy usually has like $15 jeans, and I cannot find them. And I don't like paying more than $15 for jeans. This is mad annoying. Don't these look like the infinity stones? It's like an infinity stone necklace. Okay guys, so I'm on Forever 21. Okay, this is the first item. It's like, I don't know. It's like a bra, but it actually fits kind of cute on me. It's not too bad. I definitely would wear this. Oh, it depends how much it costs at the checkout line. But I like it. It's cute. I don't really like how this dress makes me look. Like if it was like maybe a little scrunched up here, maybe I would like it, but it just doesn't flatter my shape in any way. It's not really. That's enough. Nothing special about the shirt. I got this shirt like it, so I think it's enough.
It's charming conversation.
Hello everybody, I'm finally back at school. Made it in one piece, thank the Lord. But yeah, that's the end of this week's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Oh my god, like a little boy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.